Glorious, you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux guy, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, we've had injuries, so we haven't filmed the things we wanted to film, but we've found on an old computer some GoPro footage we've had at tracks a few years back now, like digging way back to like 2014, where I had an RB20 S13 Sylvia Beta. So we're going to try and get that footage up. It's actually pretty good footage, so we're going to throw that in for you guys. Check it out for this week. Yeah, otherwise next week we're going to have a rundown of the Turbo Fairlane for you guys. We really wanted it this week, but just due to me almost ripping my toe off, Quinny having stomach problems, this is where we're at. So enjoy this, hopefully, yeah, appreciate it. Cheers.
Your first thing to be up here very shortly. These two guys both in their backup cars, and they both want that trophy that's up for the knockout later on. Yeah, that's getting a full body wrap in the next week or so. We'll be on display next Thursday night at the Thunder in the Park show that we're doing down on the Broadwater car park of the Gold Coast. Now that's what we're going to see later in the day.
I bet you're glad you started. Here we go. Roll out. We've seen superb angles here.
today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What do we have? We put some work wheels on the AU. Thought you guys might enjoy it. Some genuine freshness. For those people who want to know the size, they're 18 by 9.5 all round plus 12 with lots of bolt-on space on the front because of the track. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, give us a subscribe if you can. That'll be much appreciated. So we can keep moving forward with the channel, buying cooler cars. I mean, the AU is great, but we really want to dive into some cool cars, newer things, stuff like that. So check it out. See you later.